The fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. The structure in this particular tense is subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing form. So this is a structure, and the basic sentences in this tense are: I will have been playing, we will have been playing, you will have been playing, you will have been playing, he, she will have been playing, they will have been playing. These are all the basic structures in this particular tense. So this particular tense, future perfect continuous tense, is used to talk about an action that began sometime in the past, will continue up to a specific time in the future, and there may be possibility of continuing further also. For such kind of situations we use future perfect continuous tense, and there are certain keywords in this tense. They are: for 5 years by tomorrow, for 6 months by next Monday, for a decade by next month, for 3 weeks by next day, for 3 weeks by the day after tomorrow. These are all the keywords that are used in future perfect continuous tense, and if we take them in sentences: I will have been living here for 20 years by tomorrow. So I have started this activity of living here 20 years ago, and today also living, and by tomorrow I will have completed. I didn't complete today, but tomorrow I will have completed. So that is how, not today, tomorrow I will have completed 20 years living here. So when this situation is there, we have to say I will have been living here for 20 years by tomorrow. In a similar manner, we will have been running school for 100 years by 2023. So by 2023, we will have been completing running this school for 100 years, not this year. So in a similar manner, you will have been waiting for your father for 5 days by next Sunday. You have been waiting for your father, and you will have been completed 5 days by next Sunday of waiting. In a similar manner, she will have been suffering from cancer for 2 years by next month. So by next month, she will have been completing her 2 months of suffering from cancer. So when an action began at some time in the past, will continue up to a specific time in the future, and there may be possibility of continuing further also. When this is a case, the future perfect continuous tense is used, and the structure of a future perfect continuous tense is subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing form.